Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2591st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. It is Monday afternoon. This video is for trading on Monday night through Tuesday. That would be I guess Juneteenth, right? We're off today. So that's Juneteenth, 2023. Happy Father's Day if you're celebrating. Happy Juneteenth. Welcome to your day off. Just wanted to ease back into the week, traders, with something that we need to pay attention to. Remember, there's risk involved in trading. Never trade without putting in your stops. Put those stops in first before you ever get into a position, and know that you can lose more than you had bet on losing if you get this wrong. Stops first, okay, kids? Now, let's use sense. We use charts, we put stops in, and we basically can figure out what should happen next, and that's why I'm showing this to you. NASDAQ has a double top as of the close Friday and Sunday night. Here's one top. Here's the other one, kids. So we've got to sit back just a little bit and let it see what it wants to do. Can it blow right through that double top? Maybe. Will it stop and drop? Maybe. Because it's a holiday, let's at least wait a little while and see how it reacts while it opens on Monday night through Tuesday. We'll go from there. And even more importantly is a huge component to our stock market as a whole, and that is Microsoft, right? So check out Microsoft. Now, I would like to give a shout out to my buddy Rob, and I don't think this is the chart I wanted to show you, kids. There's another one. Hey, my buddy Rob from Staten Island, a shout out to you on Microsoft, who notified me Thursday night and said, Oscar, I see something, and he was absolutely right. Good eye, kid. Anyway, here's your Microsoft chart. It's been doing fantastically well, staying inside this channel all the way up, and it has run into a little bit of a problem. Let me change the parameters on this chart for a moment. I want to make the bars a little thinner so more will fit on the screen. Let me just show you what we're looking at now. This is the same chart. I just let more bars fit on the screen, and look at this ugly double top in Microsoft. I mean, that's a really high top on the left, and you had a lot of movement before you challenge that top again on the right. Now that, my friends, is a double top, no question there. And we know the old adage, when we see a double top, we sell a double top. And you know, that is way more often true than not when it comes to trading. So we do see that double top. If you are Microsoft fans, that is what it is. That is a double top. Now, is Microsoft big enough to take the market down with it? Because we've got a double top in NASDAQ as well. The odds are good that that could happen right here. So keep your eyes on that as well. What else do I have to talk about? I think that's about it for now. We'll ease into markets. I generally try not to trade the first day back after a 3-day holiday weekend. So unless a great setup comes our way, I don't know that I'll be trading, but I wanted to show you that big double top in Microsoft, the double top in NASDAQ. A pause for us on the first day back after a 3-day holiday weekend is probably prudent right here. Hard for me to speak at this moment. Much better. Okay, so what else do we have? The double top here, the double top that you've seen in NASDAQ. Everything else looks pretty darn gangbusters strong, but we've got to respect the double top that we see in this massive stock and in the NASDAQ. All right, kids, like I said, we'll ease into trading. I will see you all at my site, livewithoscar.com. Remember to show up there. It is absolutely free to you. No credit cards, no anything. Just join me in my free trading room. What else? And then that's about it. Keep your stops in. Keep your emotions out. All that good stuff. I know I have to end with that. And let's see where this thing percolates to. So remember, kids, say this with me. 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Be careful out there. Come join me at livewithoscar.com, and please like, share, and subscribe to these videos. 10-4, kids.